Hi, good day to you. Welcome back to another episode of the WanLainjo Money Talk Show, where we teach you how to make money, keep money, and grow money. I'm your host, Ella Bright, and today I'm here with the founder of WanLainjo Money, Mr. WanLainjo. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Ella. It's always a pleasure to be here.
Sir, today's topic really touched me. One emergency can change everything. Who is this episode really for?
Ella, this topic is for the parent working 2 jobs, the small business owner, the family that's doing their best but doesn't have money set aside for emergencies. Because the truth is, emergencies don't send invitations.
That's so true. You can wake up feeling fine, and before the day ends, your car breaks down, someone gets sick, you lose your job, or something unexpected happens.
Exactly. And when there's no emergency fund, many people have only 2 choices: borrow money or go into debt. That's how one unexpected event can affect someone for months or even years.
So, what's the solution? Because emergencies are part of life. We can't stop them.
No, we can't stop them, but we can prepare for them. One of the smartest financial habits anyone can build is an emergency fund. Even if you start with a small amount every week, you're building a safety net for your future. We've worked with families who felt overwhelmed because they had no financial plan. By helping them create a budget, reduce unnecessary spending, and build consistent saving habits, they became better prepared when unexpected expenses came. That preparation gave them more confidence and less financial stress.
I really like that. You're not saying emergencies won't happen. You're saying people can be ready when they do.
Financial peace doesn't come from hoping nothing goes wrong. It comes from knowing you've prepared as best as you can.
If this conversation describes your life, please don't wait until an emergency forces you to act. Start preparing today. If you need help creating a financial plan, building your savings, or taking control of your money, call the number on your screen or visit our website www.wanlainjo.com, and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms where we teach you how to make money, keep money, and grow money. We have come to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much, Mr. WanLainjo, for joining us. We would love to see you next time.
You are welcome, Ella. Thank you for having me. Bye.
Bye.